What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, we're at the last track day of the season here at Gingerman Raceway around Kalamazoo, Michigan. And today, as you can see, I brought the Miata with me. So as much fun as with this car I've had on the street, I had to get it on the track. So we got a bunch of cars out here, some cars that are like Miatas. We got other Miatas. Yeah, a bunch of nice stuff out here. We got a few YouTubers out here. Y'all will see them on their channels, maybe even on my channel, who knows. I already did a few pilot laps in the Miata, and I'll save my thoughts for later. But let me get suited up, get the GoPro on. I might do a couple videos on this, so we'll get that squared away. So I'll see y'all on the tarmac. Tight squeeze to get in here, but we are all good. This is why I hate GoPros. I was supposed to be wearing it on my helmet right here, but my GoPro lost functionality to have touchscreen capability, so now I got to do the dual camera mount, which is okay. Just got to roll my window down as far down as I can. Barely got enough headroom up in here, all the way at the top, so I got to be strategic on how I move. Good day, sir.
Sir?
Young man.
What the hell did I ever do to you?
I'm sorry.
Call me sir. Why do you got your GoPro on the window?
Because it lost touch functionality. I had it for my helmet, but now to make the video.
Why does it want to watch where your hands are at on the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Why? Are you like, if it's in the wrong place, you're taking a right and you're going left? Is that what you're trying to figure out if you're doing it wrong?
Not really. Appreciate it. Gotta roll this window up so my camera don't fly out. Do a warm up lap, let the tires heat up. Actually, I'm gonna roll that all the way up. Uh-oh, somebody done hit the cone off the track. Mainly just going in third just so I can get the feel of everything again, get my tires warmed up, heated up. So it is only in the 50s out here. I always want to look down the track, not right in front of you. Woo. Now this car has a lot of roll. So I see, like, if you do any kind of track days, you definitely got to do something to this suspension. Because, man, this is where those club seats would come in handy. Because this is, woo, not the most confidence inspiring. Still fun, though, because I'm not going that fast at all out here. Brakes on the squishy side. So if you want to come straight to a track day and you are serious, the Miata need a couple things done out the box. Fast when I get on this straight. About 100. I'm not focused on acceleration this time around. Just focus on getting these lines right. Let my other Miata brother pass me. And now I can follow them because they seem faster. This is a cheat code right here. It's like having a ghost lap. Dang, they getting them corners hard. That means I got some more to go. There we go. These corners right here are tricky. They got the apex cones out here. It's almost like a hairpin. It's kind of hard to see where they are. And notice I'm not even shifting gears at all. I'm just standing in third. I'm not worried about the power. I'm just worried about keeping the right line so I can keep my momentum. And I'm not doing the best job at that either. I almost want to put it in track mode, but I definitely don't want to. Need a little bit more practice. Maybe I'll see if the Topher show me the limits of this car, see what it do. car rest, let myself rest. We're about to head back out. Don't forget to leave your car in gear after you get on the track, because if you leave this up, the brakes will just heat up to the rotors and start smoking. You don't want that. Ask me how I know. Like I said, this roof don't got a lot of room to move my head. It's like millimeters. Crap, can't even get on the track yet. So my man, he went to go get that cone out the road because it is a distraction on the track.
I moved the cone out of the way.
Thank you, because I was like, who did this?
Yeah, and cleaned it up, so have fun.
Thank you very much.
And cars on course, cars on course.
More comfortable with this lean. So this lean is definitely going to get me more comfortable with the weight transfer. Ready to point the pass for the Camaro. So this Camaro, the guy actually bought this from City of Cars. That was the Camaro that I was gonna buy. Point the pass. Got the substitute topher behind me. Chest muscle, make them pecs swell. And since everybody has higher horsepower, everybody passes me. Weight transfer, I messed that one up. Brake too hard. I cannot get this corner right here. Now I'm behind the GR Corolla. That car, I was able to take it to its extreme limits on this track. It's just so good with the powertrain, the handling, the all-wheel drive kept me safe. It did want to understeer, was prone to understeering. Let me take these a little bit more aggressively. Whoop. This stupid, oh, somebody went off the track. It's all good, just a little bit of dust. Right at the limit right there, tire's starting to squeal. traction control is intervening a bunch today. Let me figure out this one right here, because this the one that be, man, still ain't getting this one. I need an instructor on this turn, because God the mighty, I'll be all over the place on that one. I gotta take it wider, but it just don't seem right. Still averaging 18 miles per gallon. There we go. Found my swag out here finally. Took a few laps. Most of it was just mental, to be honest. Now I can feel where the car's limits are at later in the day, because I'm about to leave here in a minute. But better late than never. All right, here go this stupid turn. Got it. There we go. Making strides. Ain't nobody gonna break up my stride. Take this one wider. Knee's starting to hurt now. I need like a soft touch on this door over here. Probably get a car a break after this one. It's prone to brake fade. Get the tires to brake too. Y'all, I am cruising. Cruising altitude. I might just do a victory lap. Yeah, while I'm in the groove, I want to keep on going. Definitely gonna need some more brakes. If I ever want to take this car to the track again, brakes, tires. Rev limiter. There we go. Getting out to that nitty gritty. Tire squealing now. Yeah, Q. Uh-oh, was that a raindrop or a bug? Cruising. Perusing. Smell tired now, so definitely gonna give it a break after this. This is the one where I'll take the outside, come on to the inside. There it is. There it is right there. And do it wide. It's them other cars that be making me nervous for the most part. But if I just do my own thing, not worry about them, I'll be all right. That GR Corolla trying to push on through. Gonna have to wait till that turn though. Point to pass. I'm gonna do another lap too. I ain't ready yet. Encore, encore. Especially since nobody ain't out here. Can brake later in this, not with this brake fade, but probably should be worried. Well, I ain't gonna worry about switching gears yet. Yeah. Like this car at the limit. Love this car at the limit. Now I just got to make it better for the track. Woo. Yeah. Slow her down right here. Want to carry my momentum through the turn. Don't want to brake in the turn. Come outside wide and go across the inside. There it is right there. There we have it. Mastered that. Love to see the progress. Ooh, them tires talking. Whoop. And you gotta be smooth. You can't be digital, like on off with these turns. You wanna be as smooth as possible. This last turn though, still ain't quite got this one. It's whatever though. Feel like I did better on every other turn out there. Excellent shifter. Awesome gearbox. Alright, I'm headed off the track on this one. Alright, now that was a great lap right there. A great session. So I'm wrapping up my time here. Does that car look familiar? That's actually my buddy Ray's wife's car. He's got the Blue Lotus that I share on my stories on Instagram. But does this car look familiar? This is the car that I reviewed at City of Cars. I went back to buy it, but he actually bought it the day before I went back to go purchase this car. So before I bought the GR Corolla, I was gonna buy this car, the 2019, you know the grill. And what else we got out here? Got the Lotus, M3, couple S2000s. Tom and the Z06 over there doing work, sounding amazing. That's gonna wrap up my track day for you all. I'm about to get back on the track, but maybe you'll see another video, but I'm putting my camera away. At this point, I'm about to let the Topher drive my car, so stay on the lookout for that video on his channel. So that's all I gotta say about that, ladies and gents. You all remember to drive safe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.